My name is Malvika Datta, and I am basically a certified project management professional. In the year 2017, I started my own company and I ran it for 3 years. It was basically into software development, and we were into full-fledged digital marketing as well. I was looking the analytics part of it. This is when I started, and my first course of analytics, I started with Analytics Vidya. I come from from a typical development background. Data science is a subject, business domain oriented, plus it's analytics, and you need to have good hold of statistics, problem solving techniques you should be knowing very well. Some bits and parts where I was really lagging. I wasn't knowing the problem solving part very nicely. Though I was into development, but in development we used to work purely with code. We never used to dive deep into understanding the domain and then doing an analysis further on. So this was one of the biggest challenge which I faced. Frankly speaking, I never had any doubts. Otherwise, I would not have enrolled one after the other course. I started with very small courses in the beginning. I enrolled for a course how to make your resume, and then how to face interviews. And then I jumped on to enrolling for a full fledged black belt course. And I could see the effectiveness of also of the teaching very well. So I never had any doubts. There's no doubt that today internet is flooded with courses, with a lot of online course options you get. I would say the very thing which made me feel that this analytics Vidya courses are very genuine and is really going to help me in my future studies is I first read the blogs, which with a lot of blogs are available, and these blogs are not just blogs, they go into in-depth explanation of the topics. Some of the blogs are completely devoted to project solving also, and I tried the projects hands-on and I was getting the solutions as it was explained in the blogs. So this was where I felt that the courses offered in analytics with are really genuine courses. They're not like picked up from somewhere, just copy pasted. It's not like that. These are real contents which has been put on. If I have to rank it, then I would place Python as rank one, because the concepts explained in Python, it starts from the very fundamentals and goes till the advanced level. And then ML is also a topic which is very interesting and very well explained. NLP is another topic which is very well explained in the entire group. The others as well, but I would rate them 1, 2, 3. When I finished my ML modules, most of the ML modules which was related to regression and all, I tried some hackathon, which was also launched by get a lot of topics as a hackathon from Analytics Vidya. They have a portal. So there my ranking was pretty good, which I never tried before. So it gave me a lot of confidence boost that at least whatever I'm learning and I'm putting it, I could compete with other people in the same field and see where I was standing, with them. To get the confidence to enter the industry and work as a full-fledged data scientist and with live data, this confidence I got from the Analytics Vidya curriculum, like from the Black Belt program what I had enrolled, because I got to solve a lot of projects, a lot of assignments, and I did a lot of quizzes also. and hackathons I practiced. So this actually helped me in boosting up my confidence. I would surely recommend this black belt program to people who are looking out for or aspiring to be data scientists, and who don't have, especially to those who come from zero programming background, because this program actually is for those people. It's for people from zero to hero, I can say. Like, it starts from the very basics and takes you to the advanced level where you're doing real time projects. So it's a really good program for beginners.